All right,
So I
my
pulled
name is
my
Jared, and I'm
software.
super excited to show you
I
some
need to learn a
contact that
lot
I
more
had
about how
back
this
on
thing
July
works.
12th, which you might be able to even see in
I
the
don't
top right
have
corner
any
there. So what I'm
bandwidth
doing right
open
now
right now,
is
but
I am trying to set up
this
my
is just what it looks
software-defined
like
radio to see if
without
anything
me
comes
initiating
in
anything
during
from the back
contact
end.
that's around this 1.6
And
gigahertz
then
signal.
you can see what it
Obviously, that
says.
precedent is
So
from
I'll actually
Skinwalker
meditate
Ranch,
on
and
this right
also
here.
Ronnie Vernette on Twitter has posted a hotspot in South America that's had this. But I'm just curious in general if during human-initiated contact, when these things appear, if we get anything. So what I'm doing here is I set it up failedly. So actually, my USB became unplugged, so you can see the software is frozen. There's no movement in that green area, and it should be there. I was just really excited to get going. And what I'm doing off camera right now is I'm meditating. So, and it's just scrubbing through at 20x speed.
I'm
So I
going
just come
to
out of my meditation, and now before I go actually, and I've requested contact at this point. So now what I'm doing is I'm using
recording.
QuickTime just to set up a screen recording of this software. And in my mind, I'm just thinking about the sky, and I've lost track
And
that
then
this has become unplugged and it's currently frozen. Although the effort, I want to show you that I'm out here with technology to try to capture some data, and then I've done my meditation, and now I'm going to leave my computer behind because I'm
so
screen
that's screen
recording what I
recording.
think
Oh,
is
and then you
data,
just got one of the
and I'm going to
data
go skywatch.
recorded. Set recording path.
You could even see the little
I have to figure this
antenna
out
in the
by then.
background, which
For now, I'm
is
screen
that's the
recording.
antenna from the software-defined radio. So here we go. I just wanted to give a little bit of some contextual shots. You could barely make out 3 dots of the Big Dipper back there over that wire, but just so you can kind of see some of the background of what the sky looks like. Kind of hard to see some of the stars right now, admittedly, but I'll walk out a little deeper into my yard. And so now again, I'm scrubbing at 20x speed, just kind of flash forward to you because it's a few minutes later of when they actually appear. So just scrubbing, doing my skywatch, and then after about, I forget how many minutes it is, they appear right about here. So what you could see is I'm kind of panning. And you'll hear this motorcycle or something drive by, some car, what you just heard. And then now I'm panning to the left, that's the Big Dipper right there. And I'm about to pan back to the right. And as I do, you'll see contact right around here. So that's 1 dot, and then again around the same area.
Thank you.
Give me a few flash bulbs there, and then they're gone.
And then gone. Okay, so
So now here's a slow-mo version and a zoomed-in box on the top right. So just follow the arrow, and you'll see it right here. That's 1. This one's really cool because it's like a vertical light. So look how it's almost up and down. And then 3 and 4 is coming here. To not make this part too long, because this is really at a slow speed, I did splice it a little bit, but that's why I gave you that first video there in the beginning. And then now, after this, I realized that it's over, so I'm going to go back to my computer. See if I collected data, which I realized at this point, back in July, that my software was frozen.
How does this waterfall look? Is this shit frozen? Oh, damn, dude, it is.
I thought maybe at first, you know,
Okay,
I was
well,
being
that's not
screwed
fun.
with by the
It-
phenomenon, but it really
It's
was my
frozen, which is
USB
just a
just
bummer.
was loose, and somehow the software stopped functioning. It came undone or
I
something.
think what's more important is me trying to document this.
And that's about it. So that's just, I'm excited to continue this in the future to see if I could actually get some data. All right, one last little bonus shot here. So I
Still
actually
here.
stayed out later this night, and I saw something in my peripheral, kind of at the bottom over here, flash. And so then I start filming in this area, and you'll see what looks like a star at first, 'cause I swear I saw something over here. And you'll see the arrow point to it, and just keep an eye on this. It looks totally, it's not moving. You can see it compared to the other star, and then it just disappears. So I for sure saw something, and then I see the star, what I think is a star, disappear, which was interesting.
Okay, so I thought that was a star over here, but I guess not. So that's interesting. Let's keep looking.
That's my reaction.
I'm gonna zoom out again.
That's it. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.